Independence solve a lot of Kurdistan's current problems?
It is affecting Peshmergas. In fact, it's a miracle to see that the Peshmergas, without being paid or underpaid, are still in the front lines fighting ISIS with all these old weapons that they still have. But I think the international community should understand that these are, at the end of the day, human beings, and they all have families, and they need to take care of their families. And I think it's the responsibility of the entire world to come to the assistance of the Peshmergas to win this war, not only militarily, but also to make sure that a financial crisis does not affect them to win this war.
In this area, they also already cooperate with Peshmerga.
We are not declaring independence right now. We're just talking about a right that the Kurds, like every other nation, have. Whenever they feel it's time to exercise that right, we expect the world to understand that.
Yeah.
To win this war. So what the Kurds are asking for is just to secure their future for themselves and for their children. And this is just a right, you know. We try to stay in this country, but if Baghdad or the authorities in Baghdad do not consider Kurds to be equal partners, and if they keep pushing the Kurds to stay away, then they shouldn't blame the Kurds for seeking other better solutions. Either help their families or stand in the front lines. And definitely, right now times are difficult, but tell me, how easy would it be for Kurdistan if it does not become independent? We are not an independent state right now. Are we solving this problem? Is Baghdad willing to solve this problem at the moment? No. Kurdistan has not declared independence for Baghdad or any other country to use it as an excuse and say that we cannot come to your assistance because you're seeking independence. And interventions of outside powers in shaping and drawing the borders of this.
In this area, they also already cooperate with Peshmerga.
Other independent countries have their own internal issues, and I don't think that this should be used as an excuse for not giving the Kurds the rights that they deserve, and they have deserved for decades or centuries ago.
It wouldn't be a short-term thing.
I welcome everybody to go and interview Arabs, whether as IDPs living in Kurdistan or those who have returned to their own villages, and see what they feel. But there are certainly areas where neither the Kurds nor Arabs haven't been able to go back to, because these are areas that are still considered to be a war zone.
Arab villagers said they were not allowed to go back. That seems like